everyone and welcome back to our channel. So if you're seeing me for the first time, I am Anjali and you're watching Ashes Heaven. So recently I have purchased few products from Amazon and I just thought that I'll just quickly make a haul video so that if anyone is interested in purchasing these products, you guys can also purchase these products. So before getting into the video, hope everyone have watched my last video. So if not, I'll just give it in the iCard above. Please watch that. It is a really good video, guys. So without much late, let's get started. Okay guys, so to begin with, the very first product that I am going to introduce you that I purchased from Amazon is a mic. So as you can see, I am using a mic today to take this video. So earlier as a beginner, I was not having any of the equipment that is needed for YouTube. So I just thought, why can't I purchase few basic and affordable items to invest into my YouTube? So I just purchased a mic. So this is the mic. So I purchased a mic and this is below 200 rupees, guys. So if anyone is looking for affordable and basic mics, you can just go for it. So this is, I can say that this is not to the best quality and up to the mark, but as of now you can just suffice with this, because if you are a beginner or if you are looking for any affordable and mics that is below 200 rupees or 150 rupees, then you can definitely get this. I think I purchased this for around 150 rupees, I guess. So I'll just give the link in the description box below. So if you are interested to purchase, you can definitely purchase this. So this is a mic which I have purchased. As you can see, it is like this. So for a detailed video, I'll just show it here so you can see this, how it is visible. So I have recorded 1 or 2 videos using this mic and I really like the performance of this mic. Though this is not giving any high-end specifications or that much big clarity, we cannot expect for a product for below 200 rupees, right? So in this price range, this is doing its need. So I really liked it, and if anyone of you are interested in buying this, can definitely go for it. So this is my first product. Okay, and the next product that I have purchased is, again, this is a small investment into my YouTube. So though I am a beginner, I thought quality of the video really depends on how it is getting into the audience. So I thought these days till I think this is my 87th video. So till 85th video I was shooting without any equipment. Even today I don't have any much advanced equipments with me. So I am doing the video with my basic phone and everything like that. So I was using I was using for light, I was using the natural light. If not, I was using my LED light only as the source of light. So the next product that I purchased is a ring light. So this is a very, very small and affordable ring light, guys. So this is a 10-inch ring light. So I'll just show it here. So this is as you can see, this is a 10-inch ring light. So this is really, really good, guys. This is again under the affordable range. If you are looking for a ring light below 500 rupees, then you can definitely go for this. This is not a very big ring light, but then this gives a very good source of lighting, and it is so good in its performance, guys. So I really liked it. I know that there are multiple brands like Digitech and everything like that. So those are all, I mean to say, those are all pretty much expensive. If you don't want to invest into that big ring lights, you can definitely go for this type of small ring light. Also serves the same niche. So as you can see, this ring light is like this. So I didn't get any tripod with this. So I adjusted it to my tripod which I was having from the beginning. So which I already had, I adjusted it to the tripod. It's different colors in this. So one is the white one, then warm and the cool tone. So you have 3 different lights you can see. As you can see, you can change it to whichever light you want and you can adjust accordingly. So I really liked it very much, guys. So for a basic or a beginner, this is just great deal. If anyone is looking for a budget friendly ring light, you can definitely go for this. So though you cannot expect much quality in this, but the output is just awesome, guys. I really liked it, and I think I got this for around 350 rupees. So this is a very good ring light. I really suggest to anyone who is looking for a basic and a very affordable ring light, then you can definitely go for it. If for a detailed explanation, I'll just make another video of how I shoot my videos and all of that. But as of now, this product is just really good, and I will give a big thumbs up to this ring light. So this is a USB connected ring light. You can connect this to any adapter and you can just function it, and you can change the colors into 3 different lights is available in this. So you can switch the lights according to which source of light is needed for your video. Okay, so and the next product that I have purchased are these hair bands. So these are 6 hairbands which I purchased. So this was retailed for around 50 rupees, I guess. So but the minimum order was 2. So I got this 6 hairbands, and these are pretty much good hairbands, out of which I liked mostly this black colored one. So if you are interested or if you're fond of purchasing hairbands, you can definitely go for this. So this is my next purchase. And the next purchase is I just got a handmade book like this. So this is really good, guys. I'm in love with this book. This is handmade aesthetic kind of. This gives a very aesthetic and a very good feel to you when you see this. So this is really cute, really cute book, guys. So this is a handmade book. So as you can see, there are lots of, there is a minimalistic craft work given in this, and it is really very cute, guys. So as you can see, you can just open it like this. So once you open it, the book is like this. So this is a handmade book, guys. So you can use it as a diary or whatever you feel like, or you can just put on your whatever you feel like writing. You can just note it down in this. So for that purpose, I purchased this to note down some, if there are any important points that I have to remember, then I thought I'll just make a book like this and I'll just note down everything into this. So this is my next purchase, and I really liked it. In the paper quality and the book quality is just superb, guys. So I think this retailed for 89 rupees. This is a great deal, and I really like this book. The paper is also of high quality. It is like a chart paper. So this is really good, guys. So this is my favorite book. Next product that I purchased are 2 mobile covers, guys. So this is one phone case, and the other one I have put it on my mobile, and unfortunately I have put it on the tripod, so I forgot to take that and I forgot to show you guys. So I'll just show it here. So this is the second one, and this is the other one. So these are really good. So these are really cute and really good quality phone cover. So I really liked it. So this is just superb, guys. So this is a silicone based phone cover, and I really liked it. So the quality is also pretty good, and it costed me around 130 rupees, 139 rupees. So this is really good. This is so good, and this is a silicone kind of a phone cover. So yeah, I really like it, and when compared with the other one, this is much more better than that. So that is, the quality is little low for that, but this is really good, guys. So these are my next 2 purchases. Okay, and the next thing that I purchased is a jeans or a denim jacket. So this, I really liked it, guys, and I was expecting the same, and it came out to be the exact copy of that. But I also had a bad experience with Amazon, so I'll just share that in going forward. So please watch the complete video. So this is the next purchase. So this is a jacket which I purchased from Amazon. So this is really good, guys. So I really like the quality of this, and it is also so good, guys. So you can see this, it is like this. So I really liked it, guys. So this costed me around I think it is 350 or 400 rupees, I guess. So this is really good. Quality is also so good, and as shown in the picture, I received it as shown in the picture. So because of which I was so happy. So this is my next purchase, and it costed me around as I told, it costed me around some 350 or 400 rupees, and I really liked it, guys. So that is perfect size for me as well. So if anyone is looking for a denim jacket, you can definitely go for that. I'll give it in the description box. And the next few products I'm going to say are of t-shirts category. So the next product that I purchased is a t-shirt. So as you can see, this is the next t-shirt that I have purchased. So this is a full sleeves t-shirt. So what happened is, guys, this size has turned out to be so big for me. So what I'm planning is, I'm just planning to exchange this or return this. If not, let's see what can I do with this. I'll just try to extend, but otherwise the quality wise and the color wise, this is just superb, guys. I really liked it. Or if not, I'll just return this and take a smaller size of this. So this is my next purchase, and it costed me around some 200 rupees or so, 200 to 300 rupees like that. So this is quality is so good, guys. But what happened is the size is not perfect for me. So that is the only disadvantage with this. So this is my okay, guys. So the next product that I purchased from Amazon is this top. So this is a short top which you can use it or pair it on your jeans or anything like that. So this is a maroon top. So this is really good. I really liked it. So as you can see, it is like this with frilled butterfly hands. So I really liked it, and the quality is also top. I really liked it. This is a short top, guys. As you can see, it is like this. So the hands is also perfect, and everything is just perfect with this. So I got this for around 350 rupees, I guess. So I'm really liking it. The material is also so good. I think this is a crepe material. This is so good, guys. So yeah, and this is my next purchase. And now I would like to say the bad thing that happened with me when I ordered in Amazon was I actually ordered for this top wherein they sent me a white shirt. I was really disappointed with that, guys. So I was expecting a denim shirt and they have sent me some rayon fabric white shirt, a plain white shirt. So I have returned it and they have refunded me the money back. And then the other two tops I purchased is this. So these two tops, what happened is these were really good. So what happened is the neck is too high for me. So I didn't feel like using the high neck t-shirts. I really don't like using high neck t-shirts. So I don't feel like wearing that uncomfortable t-shirts. But the t-shirts was so good, but then the fabric was also so good, but it was the neck was too high for me. So I have returned these three products. That is what happened with this. And the earlier one, I was expecting this and they sent some other totally a different shirt which is of white color, and that is really entirely a different product they have sent me, and I was really disappointed. So I had to exchange these two of the products, so which I received, and I have returned those, and they have also refunded me, guys. So other than that, all of these products I purchased are really good and I really liked it. So if anyone is looking for any of these products, I'll just give the links of these products in the description box below. Do check the description box and grab your favorite product from this. So yeah, that's all for today. So hope you have liked my video. If you're liking my channel, you know what you have to do. Please like, share and subscribe. So see you soon in another video. Till then, bye and take care.